Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So today we'll be learning about a very simple strategy to trade gold in the Asian session. Now before I start this video, make sure that you understand that this is a mechanical strategy and it's only for people who are completely new to trading, who do not have much knowledge about the market, or for people who do not have time to monitor the chart whole day. In that case, you can also use this particular strategy in the Asian session and make some good profits. But if you're somebody who has time, in that case, I will urge you that you learn market structure, because that is going to help you not only trade gold, but you can trade all kinds of market like cryptocurrencies, stock market, or even indices. Now let's talk about the strategy. So the strategy is very simple. There are only 4 steps that you need to follow, and after that there are 2 small but very important steps that you need to follow while making your entry. So if you follow all the steps, in that case I can guarantee you that you are going to make some good profits. Now before I talk about the strategy, make sure that your chart time zone is the New York session time zone. Now you have to know that the Asian session actually begins at 8 p.m. New York. So this is the starting of the Asian session and it goes till 12 a.m. New York. Okay, so this is the Asian session timing. And you can see that this chart is the gold chart for a very unpopular broker, which is called City Index. And the reason I chose this particular broker is that if you look at the chart, and this is the 4-hour time frame by the way. So if you look over here, in that case, you can see that the candle actually starts exactly at 8 p.m. New York session. So this is exactly when the Asian session starts. But if you go to some other popular brokers like Oanda or Paperstone, in that case, you won't find the starting of the Asian session, which is this 8 p.m. candle. You will see that the candle starts at 9 p.m. or 10 p.m., which is a 4-hour candle. But in this broker, the candle perfectly starts at the New York 8 p.m., which is the Asian session timing. Okay, and that's the reason I have chosen this broker. Apart from that, there is no other reason. Okay, so now let's talk about the strategy itself. So the first thing is that you have to come to the 4-hour chart, obviously. And after that, what you are going to do is you are going to mark the high and low of the 4-hour candle, which is just before the Asian session starts. So over here, we can see that the Asian session started over here, and this is for 30th April. So you are going to mark the 4-hour candles high and low, which is just before this Asian session starting. So that means we are talking about this particular candle. So we're going to mark the high and low of this candle. Okay, so this is the first step. After that, the second step says that we are going to wait for either the high or the low to be swept. So we are going to wait for the Asian session to start, and then we are going to wait for either the high or the low to get swept. Okay, and after sweeping out the high or the low, what we will do is we will move to the 1 minute time frame. So if you go to the 1 minute time frame, we can see that market came down and market first took out the low, and then it pushed higher and then took out the high. So once market took out the low, what we will do is we will wait for market structure shift. So market structure shift basically means that market is, let's say in this case, market is coming down. Market comes down and market sweeps the 4-hour candles low. Let's see, we have got the 4-hour candle like this. Market takes out the low, and then market goes up and market breaks the last high along with fair value gap. That's very, very important. So when market breaks the structure, market also needs to create fair value gap over here. So once we see that, then we are going to take our entry from the fair value gap. Stop loss will go below the low, and our target is going to be a mechanical 1:3. So this is the trade setup. Okay, so this is all that you need to follow, and if you follow it exactly like I have told you, in that case you are going to make a good amount of profit using this particular setup. Now this is a buying setup. The exact opposite thing is going to happen for a selling setup. Let's say we have got the high of this 4-hour candle, market goes up, takes out the high, and then market gives us market structure shift along with fair value gap. So we are going to enter from the fair value gap, stop loss will go above the high, and our target is going to be a mechanical 1:3. Okay, so this is the basic rules that you need to follow. So it's a very, very simple strategy you can see over here. Now, along with these rules, for entry model, you need to follow two more things, which is very important. First point is that market should give entry immediately from the fair value gap without taking the next high and low. So what I'm saying is that let's say what market does is market comes down, market sweeps this low, and then market gives market structure shift. Now after market gives the market structure shift, market should immediately come down and give the entry from the fair value gap. Market should not keep continuing higher and take out the next high. That should not happen. Similarly, if we are selling, in that case, after market gives the market structure shift, immediately market should go up and it should give us our entry. If it does not give us our entry and it continues lower and takes out the next low and then gives pullback to our entry, which is the fair value gap, in that case, we are not interested to take the entry. It's a very, very, very important point. So keep this in mind. Since this is a mechanical strategy, so we have to be very, very precise and very, very careful with our entry model. Okay, so this is the first point. The second point is that once market gives you the entry and market gives displacement and market gives you 1:1, once that happens, you are going to move your stop loss to break even immediately and you are going to hold the trade. After that, if market directly goes to your target, that's completely fine. Or if market comes down, takes you out at break even, that's also completely fine. But you have to follow these rules, and only then you are going to get a high probable setup and you can make good amount of profit using this particular strategy. Okay guys, so I hope everything is clear what we are looking at, and that's all. This is the strategy. Now let's see some examples of this particular strategy. So over here, as you can see, we have got this 4-hour candle. Let me mark it once again, right? And just before this candle, you can see we have marked the high and low of this 4-hour candle, and then we are going to go to the 1-minute time frame. So in the 1-minute time frame, market drops, right? The Asian session has already started here. Market comes down, it sweeps the low over here, and then what happens? Market gives us market structure shift in the 1-minute time frame. The last high is broken, right? And once it breaks, like I told you, we need to see fair value gap along with it. We can see that we have got a massive fair value gap over here. So this is where we are going to take our entry from. Stop loss will go below the last low, and our target is going to be mechanical 1:3 that you can see market gave exactly. And after that, whatever market does, we do not care whether it goes down or it continues higher. We do not really care about that. But our trade is done over here. Let's see some more examples. So if you look at the previous day, in that case, this will be 29th April. So here we can see that this will be our 8 p.m. candle, right? So let's see if market gives us our entry or not. But before that, we have to mark the previous 4-hour candles high and low. And now we will go to the 1-minute time frame. So here we can see that market took out the high and then market continued higher, right? Market did not give us any structure shift. Market created this low, then this high, and after that market was sideways over here. There was no low that was broken, and then market kept continuing higher. And then finally what market did was market actually broke the last swing low, which was over here, and along with that market gave us displacement, which is the fair value gap. So once market gives that, what we are going to do is we are going to take our entry from the fair value gap immediately. We are not going to look for the next POIs, the next fair value gaps that we have over here. Even if there are pending fair value gaps, we are not going to look for an entry from these zones, because what happens is the Asian session actually tends to move in one single direction after it takes out a liquidity. So once liquidity has been taken above the previous 4-hour candle, market is directly going to drop from here without giving you an opportunity to enter. So in that case, if you want to make an entry in the Asian session, in that case you have to be a little bit aggressive. So you're going to take your entry immediately once you see the market structure shift happen. Stop loss is going to go above the high, and your target is going to be a mechanical 1:3. And once again, remember that once market gives you 1:1, you're immediately going to move your stop loss to break even and hold the trade all the way down to your target. So here also you can see you got another plus 3R in this trade. Now let's look for one more example. So let's look at the previous day, which is going to be 28th April. So here we have got the 8 p.m. candle, and we are going to mark the previous 4-hour candle's high and low, and then go to 1 minute and see what market did. Did market take out the high or the low, and was there market structure shift after that or not? So here we can see that market took out the high, and then what market did was market actually created a market structure shift. You can see market created this high, then this low, after that another high, and then market broke to the downside. But unfortunately, market did not give us any entry over here, and market directly continued lower. Like I said, in the Asian session, market is highly volatile, and market after manipulation moves in a very strong manner in one-sided direction. Okay, so let's look for some more examples. If we go to another day, which will be the last day, which is 27th April. So 27th April, we can see that this was the candle, and once again we are going to mark the previous 4-hour candle's high and the low, and we are going to go to the 1 minute time frame. So in the 1 minute, we can see that market took out the high over here, and once again market gave us structure shift. We can see that market broke this last low over here along with fair value gap. So once that has happened, we are going to take our entry from the fair value gap. Stop loss will go above the high, and we are going to target a mechanical 1:3. So that's it, guys. You see that this works very well, and like I told you, make sure that once market gives the market structure shift, market should immediately go up and give your entry. What market should not do is market should not continue lower and take out the next swing low, which is going to be this one. So if market directly continued lower, took out this low, and after that if market gave the entry, then we are not interested. So this is very, very, very important point. Okay, so if I show you the examples that we have already seen, here also you will see the same thing, that after market gave the market structure shift, immediately market gave us our entry. Here also you can see the same thing, market gave the market structure shift and immediately market gave the entry, and then market drove lower. But let's say market continued directly downside, took out this low, and then gave us our entry. In that case, we are not interested to take an entry. Okay, here also let me show you once again. Here also you can see that once market gave the market structure shift, market immediately dropped to our entry, and then market pushed higher. So this is very, very important. Make sure you keep this on your note, that once market gives the market structure shift, immediately market should come down to your entry without taking out the next high or the next low, because if that high or low is taken, then the liquidity has been taken, and after that you do not know whether market is going to reverse from there or not. So it's very, very important that market should immediately give you your entry after the market structure shift happens. So that's it for this strategy. Make sure that you backtest the strategy at least for the last 2 to 3 months, so that you see how the strategy actually works, and also make sure you forward test the strategy for the next 2 weeks at least, so that you gain some confidence before using real money to trade this particular strategy.